you think Chinese is hard? Chinese is very hard, yeah.
Chinese is very difficult to learn.
Yeah, really, really difficult. It's the tones is the hardest thing. Is anywhere else I feel like you can sort of say the word and people kind of get it, but with Chinese you can really, really mess things up by getting the tone wrong.
I think yes. For now.
Yeah.
I
kind of feel I've been learning Chinese for maybe like three years, like 1 or 2 years seriously, but about 3 years, and I just feel like if I committed that amount of time to a European language, I'd be like fluent by now, like totally fluent, like really, really awesome. But I speak like average Chinese. Totally not I mean, the grammar's okay, it's kind of similar to English, but generally it's just not intuitive, you know, so you kind of have to force yourself to use a new system rather than it feeling natural or something. Yeah.
Do you find Chinese or Mandarin very hard to learn?
Actually no, because earlier I had to study German, and as I see, like Chinese is quite very different from like other languages that I studied earlier, but no, how to say it correct, like oral speech is not really difficult. Of course, instead of these tones, all in all, like the grammar picture, as I see, it's like not very difficult.
Do you find Chinese hard to learn?
Yes. Well, you've got the highs and the lows. You've got also the different accents from north and south, east and west. And also, if you, at my age, try to learn a new language, it's a bit difficult.
你觉得中文很难吗？
很难。
为什么？
因为中国字没有一个 alphabet， 所以如果你要看得懂，应该是 memorize。对。